Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm awkward as f***. I can't do this right now. What's wrong with me? Hi Lily. Look, we match. Today I'm going to be creating this look right now that I'm wearing. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let's get into this video. Alright, let's get this show on the road, shall we? I'm going to be doing something out of my comfort zone today. I'm going to be using some greens because I got these colors a while back, these greens, Colourpop, and I have never used them before. I'm going to look up some inspiration. The green is super hard to work with because it can easily and quickly look like you have a black eye. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I saw a picture of Kylie Jenner's makeup on her Instagram. Let's pull the picture up. I'll put the picture right here. I don't know if I'm gonna do that look or if I'm gonna do a more like green look because I really want to use green. I don't know why. Just feeling the vibe. So we'll see where this takes me. You already know what foundation I'm about to use. L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour fresh wear foundation. This is my favorite foundation. Alright, I'm just gonna apply it straight to the sponge. Let's move on to eyebrows. You know the TikToks where the girls go like this and then they go like this and their eyebrows are done? I'm gonna do that, okay? Ready? No eyebrows. Boom. This is how I do them. I just wanted to do that because, you know, I had to be cool for a sec. Just draw lines, you know? I'm using the Wet n Wild Retractable Brow Pencil in the shade Ash Brown. Okay. I am now going to outline my brows. And the concealer that I'm going to use today, I'm going to use my Sephora concealer. It's called a Bright Future Concealer. And I just make a line pretty much. And then I'm just taking this e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush, blending that out. And when I do with zits, I just let it sit there for a little bit and then I'll blend it out. Now, the fun part, we're going to do some eyeshadow. This isn't like an actual palette you can buy from Colourpop. I put this together. These are all the shades that I have. I'm going to get more because I love Colourpop so much. So yeah, the shades that I'm going to be using are the shades Team Captain, Sideline, and Tea Garden. This palette you can buy. I love this palette so much. It's called the I Think I Love You palette. I'm literally shaking right now because I've had so much caffeine today. I'm going to start with this shade right here as my transition shade. I bought a bunch of these brushes a really long time ago when I first started doing makeup. All of these brushes from Spectrum are so good. I love them so much. I literally use them every time I do my makeup. And yeah, so I highly recommend them. Not sponsored. And I'm actually going to use this one to blend this out. The A08. If I had to pick one brush out of all the brushes, this one is my favorite. I take that, put it into this shade here, and start my transition shade. I don't know, I can't decide. We're gonna see. I'm gonna put this color in and see how it looks. M330 brush. This is what it looks like. And get it started. 3 brush, just a blending brush. I'm just blending that out. Alright, this is what it looks like so far. I'm going to keep adding that green color just gradually and gradually. So this is what I don't know with this brush where it's from. It's just here. Just an angled tip that doesn't move very much. It's pretty dense. So I'm going to dip into that same color and try again. See if I can get some more green in there. Alright, we're going to pull this baby out. And let's try this color right here. Use this brush. Might be fallout, so be prepared. Let's see what it looks like. Oh wow, that's pretty. Ooh. Oh, I really like that. It's really weird for me because I never do like any colors. I just stick to like tans and oranges, so this is new. This is new for ya girl. Alright, now I think I'm gonna add this color called Sideline. This one. This portion of my eye. Oh, stop right now. Wow. Okay, bye. I'm deceased. That is beautiful, that color. This is what it looks like so far. I really, really like how it looks. Yeah. More of this green again. This one. Right there. And just deepen up the crease a little bit. I'm honestly impressed. There's like barely any fallout. I mean, there's a little bit, but nothing like insane. I'm going to use that color in the middle of my eyes, just right here. Okay. Pop Cream Gel Liner in the shade Mr. Bing. Eyeliner is on. I haven't used that color in so long. Now we're going to move to concealer. I'm going to conceal under my eyes. I'm going to use, again, my Sephora Bright Future Concealer in the shade 7. Go right under my eyes. And what I like to do with the excess concealer, I like to bring it here and use it to like lift my eyeballs and clean up my eyeshadow if it comes down too much. Let's powder my face. MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NC30. And I actually didn't even buy this. Someone gave this to me and it just happens to be my shade, so. Now I'm going to put some under eye powder on, my e.l.f. powder, and I'm using my Sigma F64 Soft Blend Concealer brush. Bronzer time. I'm going to use my, come on, go in, Z palette. That, I don't even think it's a Z palette, just a magnetic palette. These are Colourpop brushes and bronzers. I'm going to use this bronzer right here. It's pretty much almost done. It's in the shade Private Party. Okay, so bronzer's on. I'm gonna add like a little tiny bit more. This is my other bronzer from Colourpop. this e.l.f. highlighting brush for my contour. Just going to blush. I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Color Con blush in Pearlescent Pink. Looks like I'm gonna hit someone with it. Okay. Oh, and a oh, and a oh, very potent blush, so be careful. Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in Molten Gold. Oh, I love it so much. Y15 brush. Y14, sorry. I'm actually, fun fact about me, I'm dyslexic, but only with numbers. It's a thing. Look it up. I'm gonna use this shade right here. Right here. This front. Blush is on, highlighter is on. I think now, I'm so out of breath, I ran upstairs. Whew. I'm gonna add some powder, Coty Airspun. So be very careful because this likes to add some right here and bake. Right here. Mostly just to carve my contour out because you know I'm fancy like that. Normally I don't do this, but I feel like this is more of a full glam look, so if we're gonna send it, we're gonna send it, you know what I mean? Next, I'm gonna use my Telescopic mascara from L'Oreal. Add my Ardell Wispies. Add and get the excess off. NYX Butter Gloss. Brow gel. Have to fleek the brows. Put some mascara on the bottom, my bottom lashes. Alright, this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Look how cute my dress is. Cheetah-licious.